creating a product. After creating a product, the product has to be get matured to keep the highest values of the market, and then the product maturity stage will be attained. Then fourth one will be decline. These are the 4 stages of product life cycle management. For any product, we can be able to adapt these techniques. This is how a product failure, success, or average rate can be considered. And this is the product workflow chart, through which we can first need to work on empathy. If you are going to start a new product or new product development, in case of any hardware or a software, we need to do the empathy part. Empathy part which is linked with our design thinking framework at the first stage. And the second will be R&D. Coming to R&D is something like research and development. In research and development, we need to collect the data related to the empathy, on which product we are going to do, or which component we are planning to do, or which component we are planning to design. So we can able to enrich by using empathy, and we can do the research and development work. While doing research and development, we can able to stabilize the product quality. We can able to collect the existing similar product data, and also we can able to develop a prototype. Based on the prototype, we can able to create our idea of vision into a virtual mode or a virtual product. Then coming to prototyping. While prototyping, nowadays we are having many varieties, such as 3D printing, mini casting, or hand crafting. So these are the prototyping methodology. In prototyping methodology, we can do prototyping, and then coming to the testing part. While going for the testing part, we need to do the prototyping process also, and also we need to create a new product also. Because in prototyping, the model can be in the shape of smaller size, in shape of miniature. But while creating same as a product, as a new product, we can able to develop the testing conditions in the real time. And coming to the testing side, several list of testing is available. For a hardware component, we need to find the mechanical property, we need to find the chemical property, we need to find the physical property. Coming to the mechanical properties such as tensile strength, flexural strength, compression strength, impact strength has to be carried out. Coming to the physical test, which is nothing but temperature, pressure, and viscosity of the product, and the material resistance of the product can be analyzed. Coming to the chemical, we need to test the wear resistance, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, or the process has to be carried out. While all these circumstances has been cleared while the process of testing, we can go for manufacturing. In manufacturing, there are 3 stages. First one will be mini, through which the quantity of the product will be lesser than 30k, and the second one will be batch production. In batch production, greater than 50k will be processed, and coming to the mass production, the per day production will be greater than 1 lakh. So by this, we can able to optimize the production criteria. So after the production criteria, we can able to finalize the product, and we can send it directly towards the customer. Once the product reaches the customer, this is the main process where we need to get the feedback from the customer. So the feedback is the main section of the product lifecycle management, where the feedback of the product will help to increase the product quality and also increase the product standards. While coming to the manufacturing aspects of any component or any product, we can go for this structured process of product lifecycle management. Here, first the component will be drafted, then the component will be modeled using a 3D modeling software. Then we can go for an assembly. Then we can go for the middle selection. Middle selection is where the exact product development has to be carried out. So if based upon the application of any product, we need to choose the material. So then coming to the simulation of computer-aided engineering. Coming to computer engineering, there are many software. Mainly in industry, ANSYS software is widely used. Then coming to the prototyping. In prototyping, the technology will be computer-aided machine, or computer-aided modeling, computer-aided manufacturing also we can tell. And when coming to the testing process, the similar what we have done in the prototyping or testing process, the similar process will be taken out. Then we can go for development. This is a cyclic process where the product has to be developed from the scratch to the code. So this is the main workflow of the product lifecycle management, and this is exact workflow of a product has to be manufactured using a mechanical component. So for these types of process, these types of application in varieties of technology, we have many softwares. In this software can be categorized based on CAD, CAM and CAD. In CAD modeling, we are having 2D drafting and 3D drafting. In CAM modeling, we are having solid CAM, HCAM, and for additive manufacturing, it is nothing but the slicing software program. While coming to the computer-aided engineering, we have several tools such as ANSYS, CFD, CAD are the direct applicable tools which are available in the industry and which has been developed for a product lifecycle management. Through these set of work, so this process flow, we can able to confirm the product lifecycle management goals can be attained, the quality of the product can be attained, the lifetime of the product can be attained. So this is how the product lifecycle management of the product has been carried out in industry, in current sector. Thank you.